I've seen it all. I've seen it all before. The pride, the greed, the sloth, the lust and envy, the sorrow, the despair, wrath and vain. Well, life goes round and round. How boring, how predictable. I used to be astounded. I've done it all. I've done it all before, my dear Dante. The treachery, the fraud, the violence, the heresy, the wrath, the greed, the glut and lust. Well, here I am, in limbo. Spare some angel dust? I know it all. It's been a while. I didn't know before. How fascinating, thrilling it was then. The lust, the glut, the greed, the wrath, the love. Kind of. Who cares now? The world goes round and round. We'll see it all again. We bound to repeat it like before. All 9 circles, maybe more. The terrorism, the hatred, and the war. The pestilence, the famine, here you go. The one and only death. What? Who am I? I do not know. Continues. The kindness, the charity, the patience and humility, the diligence, the moderation, the chastity and ability, forgiveness, courage, empathy, and love, of course, our source, our force, and plenty of remorse. Well, I'm getting bored again, yawns. Excuse me, I suppose. And then all my friend wrote is, you can actually see it right there. And no shit, you can't see it or whatever. It's the notes. It was written the day after Christmas. I wrote the day after Christmas, 1/8/2012, and yeah, it's the Russian Christmas, because Russian Christmas is on an 8th, 7th. So I wrote an 8th. And I had like a bunch of notes. 7 Deadly Sins, Inferno by Dante, 4 Horsemen of the Apocalypse, things to think about after reading, who's the narrator, who's he talking to, circles in life, and the poem, numerology 3, because it has like 3 paragraphs, holy number of God, his Son, and Holy Spirit, 3 paragraphs, 9 circles of hell, 7 Deadly Sins, the 4 Horsemen of the Apocalypse, is the message with negative, positive, and neutral connotation. You know, we can have like a little class about this. We could just like talk about it. You know, it reminds me of the literature class or something. But I know you guys wouldn't want to do that. You just want to see some card stone and some exciting gameplay. So